Welcome to EigenPrism 3.0. In this video, we will show you what to expect when you first log into EigenPrism 3.0 and walk you through the new features. For more detail, there are articles and videos on the 3.0 release in the Help Center. Once you have logged in, the new homepage opens up. Let's take a closer look at the various elements. First, notice that you can hover over each element to learn more about it. And in the left-hand sidebar, you will see icons for the various modules. Click to navigate directly to each module. At the very bottom of the left sidebar, you will notice this question mark. Click it for access to the Help Center. A new item is this bar titled Workspaces. Workspaces is a new concept in EigenPrism 3.0, which allows you to organize all of your work by group. For example, you might create a workspace for a client, a business unit, or an underwriting region. Your available workspaces are always listed under this header. Also note the workspace box in the global bar, which displays the name of the current workspace. You can switch from one workspace to another simply by selecting the desired workspace from the drop-down menu. And because this is in the global bar, it is visible from every module, so you don't have to navigate back to the home page to move from one workspace to another. When you click on All Workspaces, the display shows available workspaces horizontally across the main section of the screen. Clicking on a workspace name, either in the horizontal display or from the vertical list, brings up all of the work associated with that workspace. Please see the video tutorial in the Help Center for more detail on how to create and manage workspaces. To quickly access this tutorial, simply hover over the workspace's title and click on the video icon. On the right-hand side of the home page, your recently viewed work is available. This allows you to jump directly back to what you were working on last. Looking at the bottom half of the screen, you will see event news on the left, and on the far right, the recent activities section shows you what members of your workspace have been working on. In the middle, the map displays alerts that have been triggered for your workspaces. Note that the color of the pin on the map corresponds to the color shown beside the name of each workspace. These colors represent different perils, for example, blue for flood and orange for wildfire. Click on the exposure name to manage or view triggered alerts. You can also click on the pins to see a pop-up with more information. As you can already tell, EigenPrism 3.0 handles alerts in a much more sophisticated manner than previous versions. Alerts now have their own module, which you can access by clicking on the workspace name in the map or by clicking on the alerts icon in the left-hand sidebar. You will want to spend time in this module to familiarize yourself with it, and for a detailed walkthrough, please see the Alerts module video tutorial in the Help Center. When you first log in to EigenPrism 3.0, all of your existing objects, that is to say, all of your exposures, reports, analyses, and programs, will automatically be found within the default workspace, which is My Workspace. When you click on My Workspace, all of those objects will appear in the display, organized by tab. Notice that within each tab, it is very easy to perform relevant actions. Simply click on the object name. For example, here in the Exposure tab, the drop-down menu allows us to navigate directly to the Exposure Analytics module or generate a new EigenProfile report using this exposure. You can also view and manage alerts that have been set for this exposure. And please notice the Manage option contains a group of shortcuts for commonly used tasks, such as copying, sharing, and moving exposures. And it's important to note the plus sign on the right-hand side of each tab. Clicking it will allow you to add a new object. The home page is designed to act as a hub for all of your activity in EigenPrism. The workspaces provide a convenient and visual way to manage all of your work, and the Alerts module offers direct access to the events that may impact your assets. For more detail, please refer to the Help Center for the videos mentioned previously and for related articles. And as always, please contact Prism support with questions as needed. Thank you.